Nwunye o Oba, the forgotten marriage of Anam. My children, come closer. Let me tell you of a kind of marriage we once had in Anam, long before the war of 1967. In those days, a man could promise his friend's daughter to his own son, sometimes even when the girl was still a baby. We called it Nwunye o Oba. You see, marriage was not just between two people then, it was between two families of good character. When the girl grew to about 10 years or more, she would start visiting her future husband's home during our great festival, Otite. This visit was called Ije Oku. But before she came, her future husband would send two boys from his family to bring her in a ceremony called Izute Oku. One boy would carry a pestle, a kosi, turned upside down, striking it on the ground as they walked. That sound told everyone, this young man can feed his wife and take care of her needs. The betrothed girl walked just behind him, and the second boy followed with her box of clothes and cosmetics. For 4 days she would be treated like a queen, unadulterated pounded yam with the best soups, insala, ove manu, agbonor or egwusi, rich with fish. But let it be clear, the man could not touch her as a wife until the final Onine Ezi ceremony. But there was a special one, the last Oku, called Oku Nchebi. That year, the man would spend lavishly on his bride-to-be. He and his friends might work a whole day on her father's farm, and when she returned home, her box would overflow with clothes, soaps, cosmetics, and dried fish. Even his family members would press money into her hands just to show they could take care of her. But my children, life is not always sweet. Sometimes, when these girls grew up, they would say, Anu Kwayim, I will not marry you. All the man's gifts, the work, the fish, the yams, they would be lost. The new husband would only pay a small dowry, far less than what had been spent. It was the men who lost in the end. And so, my children, that is why this marriage custom slowly died away. The beauty was there, yes, boo.